Great, just great. 5 more times, then I'm fired 30 times in a row. Where should I work at next? I know, I'm going to work at Subway. Welcome to Subway. How may I help you? I would like to have the Philly steak and cheese sub on hearty Italian bread with tomatoes, lettuce, olives, jalapenos and honey mustard, salt and vinegar square crisps and a large Mountain Dew. I'm sorry, but we're all out of steak. No, you're not. I see some steak in the containers. It's raw. Get out of here right now. Forget this place. I'm going to Jimmy John's instead. I hope that I don't see you again. Welcome to Subway. How can I help you both? I would like to have the Tex-Mexicana chicken sub on herbs and cheese bread with tomatoes, lettuce, olives and sriracha sauce, Doritos chili heat wave and a large Pepsi Max. And I would like to have the nacho chicken sub on 9 grains and seed bread with lettuce, sweet corn, jalapenos and Caesar sauce, cheese and onion quavers and a large apple tango. I'm sorry, but the Tex-Mexicana chicken sub is sold out. No, it's not. We see some Tex-Mexicana chicken subs in the kitchen. Those are the regular chicken subs. Get out of here right now or I will get the police on you. That's it. We're going to Firehouse Subs instead for our date. Oh, I don't care. Welcome to Subway. How may I help you? I would like to have the 6-inch meatball Mariana sub on hearty Italian bread, Cool Ranch Doritos and a medium water. I'm sorry, but the meatball Mariana sub is sold out at the moment. No, it's not. I see some meatballs in the kitchen. It's the beef. Get out of here right now. That's it. I'm going to another Subway. I hope that I don't see you again. Phyllis Cloverleaf, I cannot believe you were being rude to the customers by refusing to let them eat what they want. That's it. You're fired and banned from this Subway restaurant for 5 months. You have 16 seconds to leave now and don't come back until your 16-month ban is up.